Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's Shipment 8, due in early January 2021, so that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing, so probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. Okay, and Bike 31 is a 1995 timepiece, and I say timepiece because it only has 2,716 miles on the clock, so pretty much brand new. It's in the bottle green color rather than the metallic green, so some people may prefer that over the metallic because it gives that more classic look to it. But other than that, you know, it only has 2,000 miles on it, so it is in exceptionally good condition. Only minor kind of thing I can say about it on this side of the bike, if I go back to the exhaust here, is I think there is a slight scrape on the right hand side here on the exhaust, but other than that, you're looking at a really exceptionally good condition bike. As you can see, nothing to make note of at all throughout the bike. So again, Bike 31, 2,716 mile Honda C50 in bottle green. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.